Hello, in this video I'll show you how to create your own effect on TikTok. Now it's a very easy process, and for doing this, all you need is an application, and to get the application you have to go to a browser and then just simply search for Effect House. After that, just simply open the first link, which is TikTok Effect House. Now the application is available on both Windows and Mac, but unfortunately the application is still not available on any other phone devices, so you have to use either Windows or Mac. So moving on, all you have to do is just simply click on the download option over here and then install the software. Once the software is installed, it will look something like this. So in the start menu, just simply search for Effect House, then open the application right over here. Now it might take some time to load the entire application because it is a very heavy application, so just simply wait for a few seconds. Now once you have opened the application, it will look something like this. But before this step, you will actually have to log in with your TikTok account in this application. So just simply keep that in mind. All you have to do is just simply scan the QR code over here or log in with a browser. So for doing that, just simply click on login with other methods. Then it should open on a browser where you might already have your TikTok account logged in. So just simply click on continue, it will automatically get your account. Then choose open Effect House. Now wait for a few seconds. You can also scan the QR code from your phone. It's also an option if you want to. So just simply wait for a few seconds. And after that, the application should change like this. So click on maybe later or let's go. It's totally up to you. Now it will load some data, as you can see. Once it is done, the application will restart. And then it will open up like this. Now after that, once you have made your filter on this application, you can directly click on the submit option right over here and then submit your filter on TikTok. And that will create your very own effect. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.